Hello everyone, welcome to today's Math Olympiad training camp. Today we're gonna solve two questions selected from some small past papers about logical reasoning. That is the biggest and the most amazing feature of mathematics. Let's see how can that works. Amy and her four friends each own a cat. The names of the cats are Max, Oliver, Charlie, Kitty, and Smokey. The colors of the cat is either black or white, but not both. Of course, for the genders, it can't be female and male at the same time. So the question doesn't tell us that in that condition. This is hidden. Also, that is common sense. Now let's see all the 6 conditions. 3 cats are black and the other 2 cats are white. Oliver and Smokey have the same color. Charlie and Kitty have different colors. 3 cats are male and the other 2 are female. Max and Charlie have the same gender, while Kitty and Smokey are different genders. If Amy's cat is female and white, what is the name of Amy's cat? When there is a certain corresponding relationship between the name or between some parts and their position, so that means we can just use a table to show the relationship clearly. Let me make me smaller. Now let's see. So they can be either white female or white male or black female or black male. That's why I put them in the first row of this table. And there are 5 cats. Now let's see. Because we don't know what is the specific condition or what kind of color is every single cat. So we can just make assumption. When we are not sure, just assume a certain case and check if the conclusion is contradictory to other conditions. If it is contradictory, that means our assumption is false, is wrong. For example, if Oliver and Smokey are both white, because we know they are the same color, you can assume they are either white or black. But I choose white. That's because as long as these 2 are white, the other 3 must be gray, black. Because condition A has just to tell us only 2 cats are white. So I can just eliminate the other options. Try to do the assumption, which can help you get some conclusions directly. For example, here, if Oliver and Smokey are white, we don't know they are female or male, but at least we can know the other 2 cats, Charlie and Kitty, must be black. But you can see, C tells us they should have different colors. It's contradictory. That means the assumption is wrong. If the assumption is wrong, what color are Oliver and Smokey? At least we know they are not white and they should be black. But we don't know they are female or male, so I didn't give them a tick. Now, based on this, let's move on to the second part about the gender. For the gender, we know Max and Charlie have the same gender. So we try to assume then they are the minority. That can help us eliminate other options directly. If these 2 cats are female, that means the other 3 must be male, because there are only 2 females. Then, let's see, if so, when Kitty and Smokey are both male, it is contradictory to the last condition. We know they are different genders. If so, that means the assumption is wrong. In other words, Max is not female and Charlie is not female. So we can cross out these 2 boxes. In this case, actually we don't know what is Max, white male or black male, but it doesn't matter. Let's see. Which cat is the white female? It can only be Kitty. If we know one of the cats must be white and female, it's not Max, it's not Oliver or Charlie or Smokey. The only possible option is Okay. In this way, after we eliminate the other 4 cats, we know what is the correct answer. Use table to do the elimination. It will be much more clear. And do assumption to check if your assumption is contradictory to other conditions. If it is contradictory, do another kind of assumption. Then that will be correct. Let's move on to the second kind of problems. The second kind, we will learn another way to do the logical reasoning. Amy, Bob, Chris, and Doris each belong to one of the 2 tribes. Truth tellers, people who always tell the truth, and liars, people who always lie. They made the following statements. Amy said, only one of us is a liar. Bob said, exactly 2 of us are liars. Chris said, exactly 3 of us are liars. And Doris said, all of us are liars. If there is at least one true statement above, which tribe do they belong to? This time, we don't have the so-called corresponding relationship. If so, we can just do assumption to start. And do assumption, no matter what assumption it is, it can help us have more information or understand this question in a better way. For example, if we assume Amy is a truth teller, only one, so that means she said only one is a lie. When what she said is correct, the other 3 must be wrong because what they said are contradictory. So actually, this question is really special. All the 4 guys' statements are contradictory to each other. As long as you got one is true, the other 3 are wrong. So in other words, there can only be one truth teller. If so, that means the other 3 must be the liars. Only Chris can be the truth teller. That's how we get the correct one is D at once. Do assumption to help you understand the question in a better way. Then that's how we do the logical reasoning. Help you really get it. So let's enjoy and explore math together. See you next time. Bye.